Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Shopify store language. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel, typically found at your store name.myself, shopify.com/admin. Next, navigate to the Settings section located at the bottom left of your dashboard. From there, select Languages to access all your store's current language configurations. This is your starting point for any language adjustments, ensuring you have the right access. Once you are in the Languages section, you will see an option to add language. Click this button. A drop-down menu will then appear, allowing you to select any available language for your store. After choosing your preferred language, you have the option to either publish it right away, making it live to customers, or save it as an unpublished draft. We recommend keeping it unpublished initially for translation work. To begin translating your store, click the Translate button located next to your newly added language. Shopify provides options for manual translation of all your content, or you can integrate with a third-party translation application. Ensure you translate all essential elements, including your product descriptions, collection titles, standard page content, and various theme texts. This comprehensive approach ensures a consistent and professional experience for your international customers across every single page. After completing your translations, return to the Languages settings within your Shopify admin. Locate the translated language you wish to make live and click the Publish button next to its entry. Once published, your Shopify store will automatically provide a language selector, usually in the footer, allowing customers to switch between available languages. This makes your new language accessible and ensures a seamless browsing experience for everyone visiting your site.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.